Let's imagine for a moment, if you acted the same way offline as you do online, you'd go to the wrong places. Without a second thought. You'd give your private information to anyone who asks for it.
Excuse me, would you please tell me your name, last name, and address?
Would you be enticed by such too good to be true offers if you saw them in the offline world? Of course not. So stay away. Stay smart, both offline and online. And if you do come across phishing attacks, you should always report them and share with friends and family.